All right. The last step in our phase one of learning how to use Google Sheets for good for teachers, because we are using so many forms that we are collecting from students, there is one magical item I want to show you. So when we look up here in data, there is this wonderful tool called Create a Filter. It's also over here in that More button that I referenced earlier. So you can create a filter. What this does is it shows you all of these header rows. And one of the things that I do want to do right now, we're just going to pull these out a little bit more. Let's hide this little toolbar, shall we? So here, I'm just going to bring these out just a little bit more. Okay, so I can see. So if I want to see how many students did 1 to 2 sites, I can click on the filter in that top header row, and I can hit clear first. That will help if you have tons of data. And then I will click 1 to 2 sites, hit OK, and voila. It only shows me those folks that chose 1 to 2 sites. Now, if you're sorting through even more data and you want to see how many of those kids are, say, the thinker, because that is the option here for them. This is their creativity type. And then we have 3 of those kiddos. So looking at those bobcats, fighting saints, and the foxes, we have those kids that are the thinkers, and they have done 1 to 2 sites. So filters can really be helpful when you're sorting through mass amounts of data, especially those of you in remote learning. If you want to go back and see everything again, just go back to those filters where it showed the narrow filter. Go back and hit select all, hit OK. And then as you bring those filters back in, it's going to start adding more and more people to the mix. Select all. Okay. And there we have it. And then all the filters are ready for you to break it on down again if you so choose. And then you can always take the filters off if you don't want to have them appearing by going back up there and taking that filter view off. That's totally up to you. But filters are awesome for looking at mass amounts of data.